Either it's the lighting or the makeup or maybe the fit, but I feel incredibly old. Why do I look like I'm 29? I feel seasoned. I feel like I've really been through it. She's gone through hardship, just finished her morning Sudoku. That's what we're screaming today. Today's vlog is a very exciting vlog. We finally got our couch. We got our chair down here reupholstered. This room is screaming Architectural Digest. It looks so sick. It's so crazy. It's so colorful. This is the most color I've ever had in a room in my entire life. So today's vlog is going to be centered around home decor, interior updates, stuff like that. She's not prepared.
You gotta unclip it, right?
Yeah. This is your last time sitting on this couch. This is it. I think this went fine.
Got it.
She adds 50 pounds, so she needs to get off.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh!
This is so exciting.
This is peach. Ugh.
I agree.
Wow. Dude, it's so good. I like it.
I love it.
Hold on. This is gonna be our couch. But right now it's mom and dad's. Cleaning it, cleaning it, cleaning it. Yeah, that's a good girl in her bed. I think this is working. So I think we have to invite her. Do I invite her up?
Do you want to, or do you want to like not have her get on?
It's the food and the wet paws and the mud. So like, I don't know what the happy middle is.
The way that she interacts with every other piece of furniture we have, I'm like fine with her interacting with the couch.
It was like, how
this
she was
couch.
with the old couch was
Unacceptable. But everything else is like fine. It's your call, but I think like why push it? Why not just like
just have her not be on the couch.
I mean, how comfortable are these edges?
This feels like an intellectual couch. My feet are touching the ground. I feel grounded. I feel adult. Like I feel like I want to sit here and have a conversation. Peaches.
God damn.
Did you just run? Did you just try to escape?
Peaches. Very agitated. Horrible. Wow.
Security is good for the block.
Oh, dude, look at her. This is unbelievable. She's literally doing this because she's not allowed on the couch.
Yeah.
She's like, this is mine, it's mine, it's mine.
This is her chair from before.
This is her chair.
We're gonna assemble it. Come on, off.
It holds like such a different shape.
I love it.
Beautiful.
This is crazy. This print is gorgeous. We can all agree on that. I was definitely worried it would be too crazy in here, but because it's so busy, it actually doesn't look that crazy because of how small the design is. It actually really matches all of the other colors in this room, and I think that was like half intentional. I think it was also kind of an accident. Like Phineas was just so stoked about this that we didn't really think twice. He was just like, yep, it's happening, and I just didn't stop him. There's a lot of like little things we need to do. Like I want to get this basket out and those cables behind the wall or something. I just think that looks so ugly. I think this chair should actually go in our master bedroom. I have mixed feelings about our coffee table now. I feel like a wooden one would look really, really pretty. Don't mind the mess behind me. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. I am trying on 3 different wigs for my costume. It's too short. No. Either have this one, which the roots are too dark and the hair itself is too light. This one is the right color, but it's not long enough.
I like the black roots one.
More than this?
Yeah, I feel like she has black enough roots.
Yeah, this one's better. Don't mind the ridiculous wig. But this dress I've actually had for a year. I got it from some random website online, and it is inspired by the dress in the movie. Feeling pretty good. It's way too long on me. I'm literally wearing the highest heels I own, and it still drags on the floor. Oh, she's more like this.
Yeah, she's got a butt cheek. Guns are fake, ass is not.
All right, let's see. Should we see what we got?
I feel like there's like great ones.
Some great ones in there. We are going to add this on top.
Damn, dude.
I know, it's unbelievable. Then we've
Damn.
got this. I typed in PNG.
You literally looked up like the fucking...
PNG 007.
You could probably like literally make it more transparent too. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I feel very silly wearing crazy makeup with sweatpants. I have to film a self-tape later today, and the character is a free spirit, died tripping on drugs. I think I'm gonna curl my hair later today too. Hi, Peach. Today is November 1st, which is so crazy. I cannot believe that it's already November, so crazy. But I made sure to spend a bit of my morning just kind of writing down different thoughts, an October recap of all the things that I want to remember that went down this month. And then I wrote things that I accomplished in October and how I've grown in October. Then I wrote down November goals, and then I made 2 separate lists of things to release and things to manifest. Last week, my parents flew out here and we spent 7 days together and it was amazing. I didn't really get any vlog footage because we just relaxed the whole time and caught up. Last night we celebrated Halloween here. We had a little pumpkin carving moment and it was very cute. I spent yesterday working while watching Halloween Town High on the TV. Really hit the spot for me, really put me in the mood. I've really just been having like a self-helpy, indulgent Sunday, just sort of reflecting on October and like setting goals and stuff, because I think for a while I was looking at this year and quarantine as like a huge pause in everyone's life, and I was like, well, I can't make any advancements on that idea, or I can't start this because how would you even do it right now? All this, I was just making excuses. And the month of October, I feel like I just took initiative on a lot of different things, and I am very proud of myself for doing that, and I want to continue with that into November and make sure that I'm finishing off the year strong. I realized that I like to read different books at the same time. So I have like a fiction book that I'm reading, and I am back into the swing of like self-help books just because they are fun to read, and it's like, I feel like I've read enough to the point where I'm not reading any of them being like, oh, no way. It's less about that and more so just like really good reminders. You're like, damn, you're right. Right now I'm reading Winging It, Why Action Beats Planning Every Time. This is what it looks like. It has been a lovely read, and I'm definitely highlighting things. Comment down below what your #1 goal is for November. Let's motivate each other. Let's inspire each other. Very cheesy. Okay, love you guys, bye.